So in this set that Kansas runs, they'll do a 3 out, 2 in, and overload their bigs on one side. So the first action in this set is the point guard swings it to the wing, and then the wing swings it right back to the point guard. The wings will then set screens on the top man opposite side of them. This works almost as a reverse elevator screen, and the point guard will push the ball in between the two of them. You'll also notice as this is going on, the 4-man doesn't actually set a back screen for the 5. He just gets in the way of the defender and tries to push him out to clear some space. When your point guard is going through the reverse elevator screen, we'll call it, once he gets to the paint, he is reading the 5-man to see if he'll either get a floater, get to the rim, or if the 5 comes up, that backdoor lob or bounce pass will work to get to the 5 for an easy bucket. A major advantage of this set is that you don't have to have shooters for this set, and a lot of the times when a team goes to a 2-3 defense, it's because the team is probably lacking shooters, and this is actually a way to break that. One of the most important things with this set is the timing of the screens set by the wings. They should both be setting the screens at the exact same time. As you'll see, Xavier runs a similar set to this, but their timing is a little bit off on the screens, which doesn't allow the point guard to get exactly straight to the paint.